Welcome to the Hot Mess Express. I'm your captain, Leisha. Today we're going to be featuring really blonde roots that make you look like you're balding. Would it be the Hot Mess Express if we weren't sporting a really terribly done fun bun? I wonder if I can just quickly eyeshadow my roots a little darker. They're getting done tomorrow. I promise you, tomorrow will be a better day. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my January favorites. I haven't done favorites videos in a long time, and I thought it would be fun to do not just beauty products, but just an all-inclusive favorites of this particular month. This video is a sponsored video, and it is brought to you by ThredUp. If you've never used ThredUp, it's actually a really awesome site. It's a secondhand store, but online. So it's like going into your favorite secondhand clothing shop, but not having to go through all of the racks and not having to search for that perfect thing among a whole bunch of stuff that doesn't work for you. It's amazing because not only is it all secondhand clothing, so it's actually helping the environment and it's being awesome just all around. You can search just by your size. So when I go on the website, it just shows me things that are medium, large, and size 10. I don't have to do any digging. I don't have to go through anything else. I only see what will fit. I don't have to see something, oh my God, that looks so cute, but it's too small. Oh my God, that looks so cute, but it's too big. I only see exactly what I want, exactly what will fit me. And it's great because it has a lot of the brands that I love, like Express. Express is my numero uno favorite place to shop, and a lot of the things I got in this last haul are from Express, which is really cool. The first time that you shop there, you get 40% off, which is already off of really well discounted items to begin with. I want to show you guys some of the stuff I picked up in my last haul. I got this really cute dress that I'm actually wearing right now. I'm obsessed with it because it's one of those dresses where the material is really stretchy, but it doesn't look stretchy, and then it has pockets. Any dress that has pockets, any piece of women's clothing that has pockets is a win. And it's blue. It's got it's got a little teardrop slit in it. And it's so beautiful, but it's really comfy. It's one of those dresses where you almost feel like you're cheating at life when you're wearing it because it looks so fancy and sophisticated, but it's way easier to put on and look cute than having to pick out a shirt and pants and accessories and stuff. Just throw this on. You look so much put together than you actually are. I also got a couple of really cute skirts. This one in particular I really like because it has that neon accent with the yellow, but it's not overly neon. And then the shirt is really cute too. It's also from Express. And then I got this dress that I love. When I opened the package I got from ThredUp of everything I ordered, I forgot what this one was. So when I saw it laying there, I thought, oh, that's kind of cute. But then when I put it on and saw the asymmetrical neckline with the buttons, it just, oh my gosh, it's like a cute little sailor dress. I'm obsessed with it. It's just so adorable. I got a couple of other things too, a couple more skirts and a couple more shirts. I really do like their store. I love the way that it's organized, and there's a lot of stuff I got too that actually has the tags on there. So worth checking out if you're into thrifting and secondhand shopping. Definitely check out ThredUp. They, like I said, discount code below for 40% off your first order. And this is on top of already discounted stuff. You really can't go wrong, and there's just a lot of cute things. A lot of cute things. In the makeup realm, because that was definitely my favorite thing as far as clothing goes, the two things that I've been really into this month, the first is something I've had for a really long time, but I just kind of rekindled my love, and that is the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadows, the liquid eyeshadows. I first got these early last year, and I liked them. I thought they were really neat, but it wasn't really until the end of last year, and more so when I went on my trip to Israel last week, that I fell in love with these all over again. They're so awesome because they are super glittery, but they're really pigmented and they don't crease. I love glitter, but glitter can be such a pain to use and it can be so messy and get all over your face. But with these, it's just so nice because you honestly just paint it on and you can layer it and make it more pigmented if you want and get that kind of half cut crease that is really trendy right now. And it's so easy. I've got it on right now. The color I have on is Smoky Storm, but I have all of the colors. I love the sparkle that they give and just how easy it is to use. And it's just really the most simple way to just make any eye look just go up to 11 essentially, just because you can really make it pop. You can just, use your fingers just to pat it on to get just a little bit of sparkle, really paint it on and go over the top like I usually do. I just love them. They're worth checking out. The one that I like the most lately is their newest one called Wanderlust. It's this beautiful peachy shade with a lot of glitter. It's amazing. The other thing that I've come to love just recently is the new NARS foundation. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and the shade I wear is Mont Blanc. I got this last month, but hadn't really tried it out until this month. I got it in December, tried it out this month. I really like it because I'm wearing it right now. It gives you that kind of glowiness, that dewiness. I just like the way that it looks, I like the way that it feels. It doesn't feel melty. I still set it in place. I'll use like a setting spray to make sure it's not going to go anywhere, but I like the finish on it. I think it's really nice. I think that's really the only two things from makeup that I really liked. Let me think, what else can we talk about? Oh, so movie. My favorite movie this month that I saw actually was Jumanji. I was surprised by this, like you probably are. When I first heard they were remaking Jumanji, I definitely thought, why? What's the reason? Let a good thing just be a good thing. But I thought that the way that they went about it was pretty clever, making it into a video game. Seeing Jack Black having to act like a self-absorbed teenager, a teenage girl, was something I didn't know I needed. And also seeing The Rock having to act like he is a very self-conscious and nervous, unpopular kind of teenage boy was also really funny. Very entertaining. There were a lot of parts in it that made me laugh. As far as TV shows, I have to say though that my favorite thing is probably This Is Us right now. The last episode was... There's been a lot of episodes this month that have just been really, really well done. Heart-wrenching, just, oh my gosh, so many feelings. And it's just good television. It's just really so well done, so emotional. The next episode is after the Super Bowl, and I don't know how I'm going to make it, you guys. What else? I went to Israel this month too, and I have to say that was one of the best trips I've ever been on. And it was a whole trip that I will do a separate video about and talk to you guys about. It had nothing to do with religion. It had nothing to do with politics. It was the most eye-opening experience of my life, getting to see all of these amazing things, getting to meet these amazing people. And the food, oh my God, the food. I got to swim in the Dead Sea, which was the craziest experience. That probably is at the top of this month's list. Getting to swim in the Dead Sea was so cool. Basically, like, you just have to pretend you're sitting down and then you just sit. And to me, it felt almost like when you're sitting in an inner tube and you've got your feet over the edge, you just got like your butt in the middle. It felt like that, but obviously you're not in an inner tube. You just float, and it was very, very cool. So that definitely is at the top of my January list, is swimming in the Dead Sea. Let me know in the comments what happened to you this month, or what did you try out, or what did you eat, or what did you watch? Anything that was your favorite thing all month. The best thing that you had, the best thing that you saw, the best thing that you did. Let me know. I'll be reading all of your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I promise you next time you see me, my roots will be done, and I will be leaving the Hot Mess Express. Woo woo! I'll see you next time.